Welcome to Langmitra, and welcome to your German journey. I'm Maria, your teacher for this course.
Hi, Maria. I'm Devindra. I'm excited, but also a little nervous. German feels big.
That's a very normal feeling. Today is all about making it feel structured and doable. Think of this lesson as your roadmap. By the end, you'll know how the course is built, why German is worth your time, how to use each lesson effectively, and you'll do a tiny first interaction in German, just enough to spark confidence.
Great. I like having a plan. What does the course look like overall?
Perfect place to start. The course is designed like a ladder. Each module is a rung, small steps that build real ability, not just memorized words. Module 1, where we are now, is your foundation. Sounds, the writing system basics, and first impressions.
So first we build the sound system, then we talk.
Exactly. Here's the bigger arc. First, you'll get comfortable hearing and producing German sounds. Then you'll learn survival-friendly phrases and patterns that show up everywhere, asking for things, understanding simple responses, and handling everyday situations. Later modules expand into specific real-world scenes, like airports, hotels, restaurants, shopping, and getting around a city.
So it's not just grammar rules.
Right. Grammar is there, but it's a tool, not the goal. The milestone you're aiming for is you can handle simple interactions without freezing. For example, by early on, you'll be able to manage a basic exchange in a hotel or a cafe. Later, you'll be able to ask for directions, clarify problems, and understand common questions people ask you.
I like that. What are the key milestones I should expect?
Let's name a few milestones clearly. Milestone 1, pronunciation and listening confidence, being able to repeat clearly and recognize common words when you hear them. Milestone 2, first social interactions, short, polite exchanges that leave a good impression. Milestone 3, functional travel communication, checking in, ordering, buying tickets, asking for help. Milestone 4, building mini conversations, answering follow-up questions, not just saying one sentence. And milestone 5, problem-solving basics, things like, I don't understand, could you repeat that? Or, I need help.
That sounds super practical. But why German specifically? People always ask me why I'm not learning another language.
Great question. Let's do benefits, personal and professional. I'll give you more than 5 so you can choose what motivates you. Benefit 1, career options. German is used in international business, engineering, science, and tech. Even basic German can make you stand out when working with German-speaking partners or traveling for work.
So it can be a professional advantage, even if I'm not fluent.
Exactly. Benefit 2, education and research. German is a major language for academic work in some fields, and you'll see German-speaking universities and programs worldwide.
That's interesting.
Benefit 3, travel ease. In airports, hotels, and restaurants, small phrases can turn a stressful situation into a smooth one, especially when staff hear that you're trying.
I felt that when I tried local phrases in other countries.
Benefit 4, cultural connection. German opens doors to music, films, books, and history without relying on subtitles or translations.
I'd love to watch shows and actually catch phrases.
Benefit 5, connections with people. Maybe friends, colleagues, or communities. Learning German can help you build warmer relationships, even with simple greetings. And benefit 6, mental fitness. Learning a language trains memory, attention, and listening, skills that spill into other parts of life.
Okay, you sold me on the why. Now, how do I actually stick with it?
Let's talk about how Langmitra lessons work and how you can use them for steady progress. Each lesson is built for repetition without boredom. Here's the cycle. First, you listen for meaning, then you repeat out loud, then you do a short practice scenario. Your job is not perfection, it's consistency.
So I shouldn't just understand the lesson, I need to say things.
Exactly. Your mouth has to learn German. Here are 4 tips that make a big difference. Tip 1, do micro sessions. 10 minutes daily beats 1 long session once a week.
That feels doable.
Tip 2, speak out loud, even if you're alone. Whisper if you have to.
I can do that on a walk.
Tip 3, use a simple tracker. A calendar checkmark is enough. The goal is momentum.
I like simple.
Tip 4, practice with a person when you can. A friend, a family member, or a study buddy. You can even teach them one phrase. Teaching is a powerful way to remember.
Nice. If I teach someone, I'll feel accountable.
Exactly. Now, let's set your personal learning goals. I'll guide you with a few quick prompts. First, what's your primary reason? Travel, career, culture, or people?
Travel and career. I want to feel comfortable if I'm on a work trip.
Good. Second, what's your time commitment? Be realistic.
I can do 10 to 15 minutes a day.
Perfect. Third, define a win for the first 2 weeks, something measurable.
Maybe I can do a short, polite exchange without panicking.
Excellent. Let's make it even more specific. I can say a greeting plus one polite phrase clearly. That's a real target.
I can do that.
Great. Now for the fun part, your first mini interaction. We will keep it extremely small because this is lesson 1 and we're building confidence. We will use a basic greeting and one polite phrase.
Okay, what are we using?
We'll use the greeting, hello, which means hello, and we'll use the polite phrase, danke, which means thank you.
I know those.
Perfect. Now, imagine a universal situation. You're at a hotel front desk. A staff member hands you a key card. You want to respond politely. I'll play the staff member in English, and you answer in German with just 2 words. Here we go. Here's your key card.
Hallo. Danke.
Nice start. One small adjustment. In that moment, you probably don't need to say hello again because the interaction already began. But for practice, we can do a 2-line exchange. Let's do it as a mini script. Line 1, staff, hello. You say hello.
Hello.
Line 2, staff, here you go. You say danke.
Danke.
Great. That is already a real interaction. Tiny, but real.
That felt surprisingly good.
And that's the point of this course. We're stacking small wins. Also, one quick note. You'll sometimes hear danke combined with other words later. But for now, just owning danke as an automatic response is powerful.
What if I say it awkwardly?
Totally okay. Your goal is intelligible and confident enough to keep the conversation moving. You're not trying to sound perfect on day 1.
So today's win is I can say hello and danke comfortably.
Exactly. Now, before we wrap up, let's connect this to your course path. You now know the course builds from sound foundations to real-world conversations. German offers strong career, travel, cultural, and personal benefits. And you have a clear 2-week goal.
And I have my first 2 German words ready.
Yes, your action step after this episode, choose a daily time, do 1 short lesson, and repeat the target phrases out loud. If you can, invite someone, friend or family, to let you practice 2 lines with them. Keep it playful. I can do it with my cousin. He'll laugh, but he'll do it. Perfect. That's community learning in real life. And as part of the Langmitra community, you're not learning alone. Every lesson is built to guide you step by step.
I'm ready. Let's go.
That's the energy. Keep your goals small, keep your practice steady, and celebrate the tiny moments when German shows up in your day. See you in the next lesson. Your German journey has officially started.
One language sets you in a corridor for life. Learn language with podcast. Subscribe.